Alright, so let's look at this question. It says, find the remainder when the polynomial x cubed minus x squared minus 18x plus 36 is divided by x plus 2. Alright, so sorry that it's a little bit dark here. Alright, so how do we go about this? Say this polynomial, this is a polynomial, x cubed minus x squared minus 18x plus 36 is divided by x plus 2. So this is our divisor. Alright, and these are our polynomial. So the divisor, you put the divisor outside, the polynomial is inside. So you use just the first term here, x, to divide each of these terms. Alright, so that's the question. Alright, so x divides into s cubed. X divides into s cubed should be x squared, right? X into s cubed is s squared. Alright, so we put our quotient up here. Alright, divisor, polynomial inside the box, and quotient, that's the answers on top there. So x divided into s cubed is s squared. Now we now do multiplication. X squared times x will give you x cubed. Alright, and x squared times plus 2 will give you plus 2x squared. The next step now is to subtract, just like you are doing long division. So subtract. So s cubed minus s cubed is 0, minus x squared minus plus minus s squared minus plus, that's minus 2x squared, will give you minus 3x squared. Alright, so we have x plus 2. Alright, so we have this now. So I repeat, let me just recap. So x divides into s cubed gives you s squared. Then now do x squared times x, that's x cubed. S squared times plus 2 is plus 2x squared. Now you subtract. So s cubed minus s squared is 0, cancels out. Minus x squared minus 2x squared. Minus s squared minus 2x squared will give you minus 3x squared. Now you bring down this term that we've not treated, minus 18x, bring it down. Then you now do a division again. X into minus 3x squared will give you minus 3x. X into minus 3x squared gives you minus 3x. Now you multiply. Minus 3x times this will give you this. Minus 3x times. Okay. So minus 3x times plus 2 will give you minus 6x. So the next step is now to do your subtraction, just like long division in primary school. So I put my minus sign for subtraction. Minus 3x squared minus minus, that's minus 3x squared plus. Minus minus is plus, so minus 3x squared plus 3x squared cancels out. Now minus 18x minus minus, that's minus 18x, minus with minus, that's plus. So minus 18x plus 6x, that's going to give us minus 12x. Then, so we are done. Now bring down the last term that we've not dealt with. So minus 12x plus 36 in there. So now continue our. Alright, so we are down to our last set of division. So x again divides into minus 12x. X divided into minus 12x, that should give us minus 12. Alright, so it's time for the multiplication back. So minus 12 times x will give us minus 12x. Minus 12 times plus 2 will give us minus 24. Then we do subtraction again. So put the subtraction sign. Minus 12x minus minus, that's minus 12x plus 12x, cancels out. Plus 36 minus with minus, that's plus. Plus 36 plus 24, that's going to give us plus 60. So our remainder is plus 60.